And for the human rights.
How's everything?
Excellent.
You like prison law? Yes, when I was there now, we bring down Buhari side, see, out of my OPC. I didn't hear what. Do you like the money prison? Enjoy it. Come now, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Keep it now. Calm down. Now, so you don't do for Boko Haram? Is that how you are there to Boko Haram? Why you sit there on the side?
Why you dress like Boko Haram?
You cannot fight terrorists. You cannot fight terrorists. You cannot fight terrorists. You cannot fight terrorists. Even DSS, you are very ransom for terrorists. You respect people now. Get out of the way. Get out of the way.
You fight terrorism with terrorists. The way bandits are killing Nigerians, you people cannot tackle them, but you are tackling Nigerians anyhow. No, don't get this.
Look at my shot. Now calm down. Calm down. Calm down. What is wrong with you? Calm down. Why do you oversee us? Why you see terrorists? You do that with terrorists. You cannot fight terrorists. You cannot fight terrorists. You cannot fight
If you see
you people cannot tackle them, but you are tackling Nigerians anyhow.
because they don't like this political choice.